Robinhood made $4.5 billion last year. You think that came from crypto and free trades? The crypto part is barely a sliver. The real money comes from something you never see, and it's sitting in your account right now. Here's what most people believe. Robinhood is a free trading app. You buy and sell stocks and crypto, pay nothing, and somehow they make billions. That belief is fair. It's just wrong. Because crypto, the thing everyone pictures, made only $100 million last quarter. That's under 8 cents of every dollar, and it fell 38%. The flashy stuff isn't where the real money hides. So where does it come from? Think about a bank. You put your money in. It feels free. But the bank doesn't just hold your cash. It lends it out and earns interest while you get almost nothing. That's Robinhood. Not really a trading app. A bank wearing a trading app's clothes. So here's the real answer. Robinhood makes about $1.5 billion a year in interest on your cash, your loans, and your own shares. That's a third of everything they earn. The free trades are just the front door. The money is the whole building behind it. Go back to 2021. Robinhood was the meme stock app. GameStop, AMC, everyone piling in. Back then, about half the company's money came from one thing: selling your orders to big Wall Street firms. Roughly $974 million that year. You'd tap by. They'd route your order to a giant trading firm like Citadel. Citadel paid them for it. That's the "you're the product" story everyone knows. And in 2021, it was true. Then interest rates went up. And Robinhood noticed something. They were holding billions of dollars of customer cash. Cash just sitting there earning nothing for you. So they put it to work, lending it, margin loans, interest, and kept the difference. By 2025, that interest machine made $1.5 billion. That number is from their own annual report. Selling your orders in 2021 brought in under $1 billion. The quiet interest engine is now bigger than that ever was. Let's compare Robinhood's two aisles. Same store, same customer, very different money. Aisle 1, crypto, the flashy one. Last quarter it made $100 million, and it dropped 38% from the year before. Aisle 2, interest, the boring one. That same quarter it made $389 million. Same 3 months, same customers. The boring aisle made almost 4 times more. And here's the wild part. It's not just interest. Robinhood now runs 13 different businesses that each make over $100 million a year. At the end of 2024, it only had 9. There's a membership called Gold, about $5 a month. 4.8 million people pay it now. There's even a new betting business. Last quarter it made $156 million, more than all their stock trading combined. The little crypto app you picture is one small aisle. The real store is huge. Let's pull back the curtain on just one of these, the cash. Here's how it works, step by step. First, you move money into Robinhood to invest. Some of it just sits there, not invested yet. Second, Robinhood takes that idle cash and puts it to work, parking it in banks and lending it out, and earns interest on it. Third, they hand you back a tiny slice and keep the rest. Remember the bank? This is exactly that. Your money, working for them, not for you. And why don't you hear about it? Because it's boring. It's one quiet line buried in a financial filing. It sounds too simple to be worth billions, but it is. So if this works so well, why doesn't every app do it? 2 reasons. 1, you need size. A little interest on a little cash is nothing. You need billions of dollars of other people's money before it turns into real profit. Robinhood spent years getting millions of users first. 2, it's not guaranteed. When interest rates fall, the spread shrinks. Last year, this engine grew 37%. Last quarter, just 9. Free money until the Fed changes its mind. Here's the rule. The money is almost never in the thing you're buying. It's in the thing you don't notice, and the cash that sits, the fee you forget, the spread you never see. That $4.5 billion we started with, now you know. Most of it never came from your trades. It came from your money sitting still. Robinhood isn't a trading app. It's a bank in disguise. More companies, same treatment. Subscribe.